We're sending along these adapter pieces, easy install adapters, which make it much easier for the installer to have the unit set at just the perfect dimension coming outside the wall. Just thread the adapter in. With a 12 millimeter Allen wrench, go down the center, tighten it up, and then with a marker, where it meets the finished wall, just mark that. And cut where you've marked it. So once they're cut down to length, go ahead and tape up the threads with your plumber's tape. Go ahead and thread them in. And with your 12 millimeter Allen, tighten them up. And now you can see they're flush with your finished wall, perfect for your S-unions to thread into.